So here's how to open short position on Bitunix. If you haven't signed up for Bitunix yet, click on my link down in the description or use my referral code ZBQK for 5,500 USDT worth of newbie benefits. So now, click on Futures on the top panel. Once you're in the Futures tab, you need to select the pair that you want to trade on the left side. So from here, you can use the search bar or scroll through to select your desired token. After selecting your token, head over to the right side. Here, select market or limit according to your preference, then set the quantity of the token that you want to short. Also, you can use the slider to set the quantity that you want. So after you're done setting it up, all you need to do is click on Open Short. Then, you will get to see this pop-up with all the details. So now, all you need to do is click on Confirm. And as you can see, the order has been placed. And if you go over to the Positions tab on the bottom left, you will notice that your short position has been opened and all the details are right there. So that is exactly how to open a short position on Bitunix. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.